Hi, Capricorn. Hey. Hey, baby, you're a firework. Come on, let's see your worth, right? Happy Independence Weekend. This is Tess with God Sent Me Tarot and Grogu, celebrating America, the home of the free and the land of the brave, and the land of the free and the home of the brave. And yes, we're going to do your readings this weekend. Yes, and we're going to do a fireworks of tarots. Fireworks. Yeah. So we're doing one card of each. One card of each. We got the tarot, Rider-Waite. We got the mythical goddess tarot. We got the moonology oracle. We have the angels and ancestors. We have the angel answers. And we have the starseed oracle. And we have the runes. Plethora. All about America. All about America. And look, Grogu, he's hanging out with us. Hanging out with us. Thank you so much for being here. And we're going to start out with, yes, the first card for Capricorn. Ooh, High Priestess. Oh, man. You're going to have a great weekend. I already hear fireworks going on around here. It's awesome. It's awesome. Our animals, they have learned, we have a dog and a cat. They have learned that, you know, we're here, and we always say, hey, that's God saying hey. God's saying hi. And so anyways, but I do want to say that. God's saying hi to all the Capricorns. So, I hope that this is going to help you get some clarity in your life. We got purity. 10 of the seas. Oh my. I hope you hear that. This is awesome. All right, purity of the seas. That's the 10 of cups. That is a, like, awesome card. Now we got moonology. We are down here in the south, and down here in the south, we're allowed to put off fireworks. Now we don't ourselves get fireworks, but you know, we will peek out the window and see other people putting off the fireworks. You haven't experienced it yet. Yeah, he hasn't been here yet. He's only been here since April. So, here we go. God Sent Me Tarot. We got the fireworks reading. Firework tarot reading. Now we got the moonology. This one's like, this moonology just not, it doesn't come out fast. It just takes its time. Yes. Yes. Anyhow, as I say, Hopi and Floyd really handle it well. Floyd will find his little cubbyhole, but he's 16. Hopi is going to be 2 on my birthday in August, and he's not afraid of it. You know, he's calm. He notices it, but he's cool with it. All right, be bold and make the first move. All right, Capricorn, be bold, make the first move. Woo! Okay, now we're gonna do the angels and ancestors. Angels and ancestors. Come on now. Well, you know, we all have to have an independence of our souls from each other. Clarity of mind. And eagle. Need for a higher perspective. Wow. It's High Priestess, purity, and be bold and make the first move. And then you've got the eagle. You see, when you see things from a higher perspective, Whew, man. It makes you enlightened. It makes you feel like, you know, if you see the Dalai Lama, and he's always laughing, and see different swamis, etc. They see it from a higher perspective. We're going to do angel answers, and we're going to see what that's going to bring us. All right, angel answers. Here we go. Forgiveness. Now I see why. Forgiveness. Ooh. You know, and it doesn't always mean, Capricorn, that you're being the one for the forgiveness. It could be others that have coming to you, asking you for forgiveness. Asking you for forgiveness, okay? All right, Starseed Oracles. Starseed Oracles. Oh, did you hear that? Oh my. Yes, we're setting off the fireworks. And we are doing the firework tarot. Wow, cracked open. Capricorn. Rock bottom. Surrenders to the alchemy of life. Right there next to forgiveness. Yep. Whoa. Wow. Wow. All right. Oh, now it's raining out there. Fireworks are off. They'll commence tomorrow. Oh my. Yeah, we have Elsa on our way here too. Hello, Hurricane. Yeah. Well, let's pull out for Capricorn. Let's get this room going. Let's see what's going down here. All right. All right. Ooh. Yep. It's Othala. Heirlooms, heritage, land of birth. Oh my. See? Othala, heirlooms, heritage, land of birth. Okay? Taking you back to where you need to be to find the comfort, independence, freedom. Freedom in your heart, freedom in your soul, Capricorn. So you got the High Priestess. You are looking within and you're hearing the answers. You have purity, the 10 of Cups. But this is, in this one, it's the purity of seas. Ah, look at that energy. Energy. High Priestess. High Priestess. Wow. Purity. That's what happens when you do that. Be bold. Make the first move. That's it. And then you're going to see a higher perspective, the eagle. And that always is the High Priestess, and that gives you purity. Absolutely. Forgiveness. Forgiveness. And then cracked open. Forgiveness. Ah. Rock bottom. Surrender to the alchemy of life. There we go. Cracked open. Forgiveness. It's a give and take situation. Give and take, and then you got the Othala, heirlooms, heritage, land of birth. You are going to reach everything you need to, Capricorn. You're going to have the high vibration that you're going to need, the freedom, the independence. Seeing it from a higher perspective, it's coming, it's coming. And sometimes things need to be cracked open, okay? And you're going to do the right thing. You're going to do the right thing, Capricorn. So happy 4th of July. Happy Independence Weekend. Yes. Yes. Enjoy every single day. Every day. So God bless you, and may you experience the best in life, Capricorn.